everyone, my name's Josh Rule, salesman here at Pine Hill Trailers, and today I want to talk to you about Belmont Aluminum Utility Trailers. But before we get started, I'd like to remind you to like, comment, and subscribe to get notifications on when new videos are uploaded. Now let's take a closer look at Belmont's AIR7312 Aluminum Utility Trailer. The Air Series trailer is designed and manufactured using proven methods in the aerospace industry. This is one of the lightest weight aluminum trailers on the market, requires minimal maintenance, and retains a high value. This 7312 comes in at just 630 pounds empty, leaving an impressive payload of 2,369 pounds. The solid sides on this trailer measure 13 inches high. As well, there are stake pockets along the top of both sides. Along with that, you have these slot tie downs on the sides and the front of the trailer. From the rear here, you can see the surface mounted LED tail lights. All of the Air trailers will come standard with LED lights the whole way around. The solid sides on this trailer allow you to haul a variety of different things like mulch or yard debris, while the lightweight ramp here in the back allows you to easily load a lawnmower or any form of power equipment. On the back here, we have Belmont's lightweight aluminum drop ramp gate. They also have a tailgate as an option in lieu of the ramp gate. The 7312 here sits on a Dexter 3,500 pound Easy Lube Torsion axle, as well comes standard with these black machined 15-inch aluminum wheels. From the front here, you can see our zinc plated 2-inch coupler, our 2,000 pound top line jack. As well, we have a matching spare tire and tire carry on the front of this trailer. It's easy to see this is a high quality aluminum utility trailer, backed by Belmont's 5-year manufacturer's warranty. If you have any questions about this trailer or any other trailer we may have, feel free to give us a call or stop by anytime. And remember, here at Pine Hill, we're driven by you.